And I think that as time continues to move on, more and more regulatory things are going to come out. And eventually, we're either going to rise to the challenge or it's going to crush us. And, enough of us within all industries are going to, come out and say, hey, this needs to change. And here is what we're doing to overcome this, and start to figure out from those regulations that get pushed down what that professionalization needs to have as the bare minimum.
Well, a little bit of a hot sports opinion here, but from my perspective, I think we have it in front of us very similar to what happened with PCI a long time ago, where
Yeah.
the payment cards were going to get regulated, and they decided to take that off the table by regulating themselves. And I think we, as a group of professionals, have to organize in a way that's meaningful to be able to push the change that we're looking for.